This video is going to show you how to increase details into your image, so stick around. If you need to use this picture that I'm using, you can download it down below in the description section. Before we go on, make sure you have subscribed into my YouTube channel for more content just like this one. So the first app that you're going to use Picsart. Let's jump into it. The next step is to import your picture. Mine is already imported. The first thing is to crop your image. Click on tools and then click on crop. After that, click on 16:9 and then crop this way. After that is to increase your details. Click on beauty and then click on details. Adjust the brushes and then zoom into the eye to start adjusting. The only place that you're going to adjust is the eye, the eyebrows and the background. You're not going to touch the face and the arm. When you're done, click on the check mark. Then click on details again. You're going to repeat this process twice. Click on the details again and then adjust the brushes, zoom in the eye, adjust the eye, the eyebrows and the background. Remember, we are not touching any part at the face except the eye and the eyebrows. When you're done, save your image into your device. Then open Lightroom and import your picture into Lightroom. After that, you're going to adjust the light. Click on the light tab and then we're going to adjust only exposure, contrast, highlight, white and black. Exposure, we're going to adjust it to 0.12. Contrast, we're going to adjust it to 47, highlights to -14, white to +25 and blacks to -57. After that, you're going to adjust the color. Click on the color tab and then adjust only tint, vibrance and saturation. Tint, adjust it to +9, vibrance to +14 and saturation to +4. This looks perfectly amazing. The result is starting to show up. Now let's add some effects. Click on the effects tab and then we're only going to adjust vibrance, midpoint and feather. Now vibrance, put it to -22, midpoint to 57 and feather to +93. When you're done, click on the details tab. Adjust sharpness, noise reduction, details, color noise reduction and details. Now sharpness, put it at 10, noise reduction, put it at 30, details, put it at 2 and color noise reduction, put it at 32, details, put it at 31. When you're done, click on the optics tab and then put both of them on. And this is our final result. If you enjoy more content about photo editing, videography and cinematography, I have a ton of videos about that topic on my YouTube channel. Subscribe into my YouTube channel for more content just like this one. Leave it down below on the next video that you want me to create. Give this video a thumbs up and let's continue creating as I simplify your creation. My name is Brisley.